Hey guys, so Dr. Manhattan is my go-to build, but I've been using Skeletor for movies and TV shows. So this video is just showing you what I'm just doing just to set up, with the audio pass-through, because I have it connected to my AVR. So for those of you who got a sound bar, these are the settings you need to do. There's another build similar, alright, to this called Night Owl, and it's just the same thing, but it's non-debrid. Skeletor is a debrid build. And right here, I'm just changing the languages, making sure that I get English. And I remember I used to do, for subtitles, to do false only, but I just have it on English now. No, not English, original, is it? Yeah, I'll have it on English. But you can change it to whatever language that you prefer. So hopefully the stream that you select will be that, if possible. I don't know, just testing this out. Alright then guys, thank you very much. I just thought I'd just share this with you. Thank you very much.